Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Krish and I'm a 4th year medical student, currently studying at the University of Nottingham. That's right, I said 4th year. That means that my 3rd year is now over, so I'm transitioning into my clinical phase 2. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today, I'm unboxing my brand new 13-inch Macbook Pro 2020 edition. So right now there's actually a deal going on where if you buy a MacBook Pro with a student discount, you get free AirPods. So there's my free AirPods. I'm going to put them over to the side now and let's get on with the unboxing. So we first got the laptop, take that and put that over to the side. Grey Apple stickers here, USB-C charging cable, power brick. It's quite disappointing that they don't give you the extension cable anymore. So if I'm just holding this laptop over here, comparing it to my old one, I can feel that there's actually pretty significant difference in weight and even size. It's definitely a lot thinner. The specs of this machine are going to be listed down below. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. If you'd like to see a video about how I use this to study in medicine, leave a like and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.